Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 71 of mathematics, and today we are going to do question number 7. The figure is given on the right side of your screen, and I exactly copied it from the book, which is on page number 252. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two lines, one is AB and one is CD. They are parallel. In other context, you can say that AD and BF lines are also a parallel line. So keeping in mind these information, we have to solve and find the values of the given angles. In the first part, they are saying that find AEB, which is this angle. This angle is AEB. Ladies and gentlemen, by looking it, we can say that this line and these two lines are parallel, and you have to consider this line is the transversal line. So according to the rule, this angle, which is 68, that will be equal to this angle due to the alternate angle concept. So that is a bit easy, a piece of cake. So we can say that AEB, which is our ultimate goal, and that is equal to 68. How we can say that? By alternate angles theorem, because BE and AD are parallel. That's it for the first part. Now we are turning our focus to find ABE, which is this angle. We cannot find directly this angle. For that, we have to find the other angles. So we have to find this angle ABE. How we will find it? First of all, we have to find EAB, which is this angle, and we are writing EAB is equal to 58 degree, and that is also due to the alternate angles. That is also due to the alternate angles, because in this case this and these are also the parallel lines, and you can consider this one is the transversal line. So ladies and gentlemen, when this is the transversal line of these, then it means that this angle will be equal to this angle by alternate theorem. So we are writing this, and we wrote it actually 58 degree. Now moving further, we can say that FBA angle plus EAB angle. EAB angle is equal to 180 degree. Now FBA, which is this angle, and EAB, which is this angle, means that they are the interior angles, because we are seeing here is C type of shape, and this angle and this angle, the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree, and we have to refer it to interior angles. We wrote this due to the interior angle. Now EAB, we are going to find the FBA plus EAB, that is equal to 58 degree. We found it from here. So we wrote 58 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we can write this FBA is equal to 180 degree minus 58 degree, and that is equal to, when we calculate it, that will be equal to 122 degree. So we found FBA to be 1. Now the destination, ultimate destination, is to find ABE, and now we are in a position to find the value of ABE, which is equal to FBA minus 68 degree. A, which is totally this angle, AB, no, not this angle, which is this angle, ABE. We are going to find this angle. So that is equal to FBA, which is FBA, and this is this angle, and we have to subtract this 68 from it. Then we will be able to find if this is the total angle, and if we are subtracting from this portion, then we will only be left with this portion, and that is our ultimate goal, to find this, and that is why we wrote this. We found FBA to be 122 degree, and then we are having 68 degree, and when we calculate it, ABE will be equal to what? That will be equal to 54 degree, and that is our ultimate goal. Okay, now we are turning our focus to question number 8, and in question number 8 we are given this figure, which is on the right side of your screen. So we have to think about this figure while solving. The most important piece of information they given us is A, C, and EG lines are parallel, and F, D, and GC lines are also parallel lines. So first of all, in the first part, they are saying to find the value of CGF. Now first of all, we have to locate CGF, and this is the angle we have to find. CGF, we have to find this angle, and now this angle I am writing CGF is equal to 52 degree, and that is corresponding angles theorem. Now because these are the two parallel line, and you have to consider this one as the transversal line, so it means that this will be equal to this due to the corresponding angle, and here it is 52, so we are going to write that due to the interior angles, and we wrote it, and that's it. Now the next part is saying that we have to find BCF, which is this angle BCF, and we are going to find it. Now ladies and gentlemen, there is no direct way to find the value of BCF. We have to think and make a plan, and then we will follow the rules according to that plan. So let us, ladies and gentlemen, find the BCF. But before that, we are writing that BCG plus CGF is equal to 180 degree. And whenever you are hearing, it means that this is due to the interior angles. Ladies and gentlemen, B, C, and G, this angle, which is totally this angle, plus CGF, which is this angle, because these two lines are parallel lines, so you consider this one as the transversal line, so this angle will be equal to this angle due to the interior angles theorem, and that will be equal to 180 degree. So you have to keep in mind this thing, and that is why I wrote this one. Now we found CGF to be 52. BCG plus 52 degree is equal to 180 degree. and we have to shift this 52 degree to the other side, and we will get the answer of BCG is equal to 128 degree. Now this is not the answer, but we found it to find the BCF. Now BCF, we are in a position to find BCF is equal to BCG, and that is when we subtract 72 from BCG. BCF is this angle, ladies and gentlemen, and that is equal to BCG, this angle BCG, and if we are subtracting BC 72 from it, which is this angle, then we will only be left with this one, and that is our ultimate goal. So we are putting the values inside it, and we found BCG to be 128 degree from here. So we are putting this, and 72 degree will be on its place. So when we subtract it, we will only be left with 56 degree. So that is the 56 degree is the answer. So we can write that BCF is equal to 56 degree, and that is our ultimate answer. Now let us talk about the reflex BDF. We are going to find the reflex BDF, which is going to the BDF. If you are giving this a look, so this is BDF, this is the BDF, but we have to find the reflex of that. So we have to find this angle, in which I enclose the D. I mean this angle we have to find. So let us touch on the solution strategy before we are actually going to solve and find the reflex BDF. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a good planner, then you are a good mathematician. And for mathematics, if you want to be a master of mathematics, then feedback from a top notch is very important. Without the feedback, thinking that you will be the master of mathematics is really bloody hard. So find to interact with the trained professional of mathematics, get feedback from them, tell them your problems, and they will try to solve your problem. So in this way you can enjoy your life in mathematics. So we are going to devise a plan, and then we will go towards the solution. If we are going to find the reflex angle, first of all we have to find the other angles. Let us first find BDF, and who will tell me that it is equal to what? BDF is this angle. So we are going to find first that angle to find the reflex of it. And if I am telling you that this is equal to 46, then you have to be in agreement with me, because I am writing it because of the theorem of alternate angles. Because AC line is parallel to what? Parallel to PQ line. So we are going to EG line, I should say. AC is parallel to. So because of this alternate, you are trying, these are the parallel line, and this line you have to consider as the transversal line. So according to the rule, this will be equal to this, and that is due to the alternate angle, and that is why I wrote it to be. Now who will tell me BF DF DQ? Because we are, let me to solve this first tell you that we are going to draw a parallel line from our own side, and we are labeling it PQ. So that is why we are saying that AB line here is parallel to PQ line, and we said that this is equal to due to alternate theorem. So now we are finding that FD, and then we are taking FDQ, and who will tell me that it is equal to what? F, D and Q, because these are the parallel line, this one and this is the transversal line. So this is equal to 52. So we are going to write that is 52 degree, and that is also due to the alternate angles theorem. Now ladies and gentlemen, we are going to solve the reflex of the angle, reflex of BDF, reflex of BDF plus BDQ, BDQ, BDQ plus FDQ, and that is equal to 360 degree, and you have to write angles at a point. Angles at a point. Ladies and gentlemen, let me explain it. That if we are going to find this angle, let me write it in red so that you can understand, because it is jumbled now. So this plus this plus this, these three lines reflects of BDF and BDQ, which is this one, and then we are having FDQ, which is this one. So all the angles are completing a circle, so that is why we wrote that it is equal to 360. Ladies and gentlemen, because we found this angle and this angle already, so just we are going to put the values. Now we are going to write reflex of BDF plus BDQ we found to be 46. So we are writing, and FDQ we found to be 52 degree, and 360 degree is coming on its place. So reflex BDF is equal to 360 degree minus 46 degree minus 52 degree. And when we calculate this reflex BDF, so when we subtract it, it will be equal to 262 degree, and that is our ultimate answer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are turning our focus to question number 6. And question number 6 figure is given to you in advance. So 9 number question is saying that in that figure AB is parallel to CE, and you can see that AB, this one and this one, they are parallel. There is another pair of line which are parallel. They also talk about that DF is parallel to AC. So we have to find the value of x and of y. Because this is equal to 4x degree, and that is equal to 7y degree. So there are two variables inside it. Now let us start, and I am writing FDQ plus 58 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now this angle FDQ, if it is FDC, it is FDC, which is this angle, and that because it is lying on the straight line, so we have to write angles or you can say that adjacent angles on straight line. So we have to write adjacent angles on STR line, and that is equal to the sum of both of them will be equal to what that will be equal to 180. So ladies and gentlemen, we are uh, going to find f d c here, and we will shift this to the other side, and when we calculate it we will be having 122 degree. Now next we are going to find DCA, which is this angle, and when we find this angle, we found this angle for this angle. Remember, because we have to talk about the alternate angle, so it is equal to FDC, FDC, and that is what? That this angle is equal to this angle, and because of what? Because of the angles, alternate angles. So we are labeling it as alternate angles, and then we are going to solve this because we found FDC from this portion, and that is 122. So we are going to put that DCA is equal to 100 and this is 122. 122. So now we found this angle, ladies and gentlemen, and now we can find 4x from the angles at a point theorem. Angles at a point theorem. So we can say that DCA plus 4x degree is equal to 360 degree, and we are calling it angle at a point. Angle at a point. So now we already have the value of DC as well. So we are going to put that value of 122 degree plus 4x degree, which is equal to 360 degree, and that is equal to 4x degree is equal to 360 degree minus 122 degree, which is equal to 238 degree. 238 degree. Dividing both sides by 4, we are getting 59.9. 59.9. So we found the value of this as 59.9, and now we are going to find another value, and that is the value of y. For that we have to do calculation as well. So here we are seeing that BAC BAC, plus DC CA, exactly in the same fashion we did in the first part, 180 degree, and that is interior angles. That is due to the interior angle. So now we are going to find BAC plus 122. We already having the value of 122, and that is 180 degree. So BAC is equal to 180 degree minus 122 degree, which is equal to 58 degree. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us solve the other part in this portion. We can say that 7y degree plus BAC is equal to 360 degree. Now, ladies and gentlemen, BAC plus DCA, this and this, they are the interior angle, and I wrote this portion. Due to that, we already having the value of DCA, which is 122 degree. So I inserted that value, and simply we found this one. Now 7y plus BAC is equal to 360 degree, which is the whole of this. So we wrote this one, and here we are having 7y plus BAC, BAC, and we found that is 58. BAC is 58 degree, which is this one. From here we found it, and now there is 360 degree. Now we are going to find 7y degree is equal to 360 degree minus 58 degree, and if we calculate, so we will find 43.1 degree. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to solve this 10 and 11 and 12 number questions as well, but the time is not permitting me to do so, so I am leaving it for the next lecture. I am providing you an opportunity to do practice on these things, because without the practice you won't be able to achieve your goal. So do practice on it, and tomorrow we will come, inshallah. There is an advanced level question on these theorems, so we have to do it, and then we are starting a very important topic, chapter, because we will conclude this chapter tomorrow, and then we will get to the triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. So be with us. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.